Nat, and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear.
Trolls are not meant to be at the pool when it's so hot outside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank goodness we have so many refreshments in the kitchen. But what should I pick for her? Lonely. I'm so lonely. Okay, time to check out my kitchen. What kind of items do I have in my kitchen that are refreshing and cold? Well, the most refreshing items are usually found in the refrigerator or in the freezer. Channell, that's a great idea. What would I do without you? We're going to look in the freezer and in the refrigerator. I think I'm a little short to get the highest cupboard. Nat, can you help me? Ooh, yeah, I can definitely help you. You are a little bit short. Well, you've got some ice cubes up here. Some frozen strawberries. A nice cold cup. And some cocoa berry milk. Troll high five! Woohoo! I think we have everything we need to get creating. We will make the best looking drink for our friend Viva and bring her back up to energy. Let's get going. Let's get going. Woohoo! Oh my goodness, this troll counter is a mess. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Nat and Essie. Today we are making Viva a refreshing drink because she is exhausted from all of the heat from the sun. We actually have 2 cups. Each one has a straw, 2 bags of ice cubes, little cute lemon wedges, and strawberries. So I think we can make 2 drinks with all of our ingredients. Let's get going and start by taking our first drink. We can put 1 inside of each cup. Now we need to use our ice cubes, and ooh, they're so cold. Oh, let me feel. Ooh, those are frigid. That's exactly what she needs. Something cold. Ooh, that feels so good against my face. It's really hot outside. Okay, Poppy, let's get these drinks started. It fit perfectly. Now we're going to take our second bag and fill up the other cup. We can use our cocoa berry milk and some lemonade. For 1, I'm going to use the lemon flavor and carefully put it in my cup. Now I can use my straw to get all of my flavors all around inside of the cup. Ooh, lemony goodness. Let's get some more back here. Wow, this looks so yummy. But we do have a chance to put some lemon inside. Look at these tiny little lemons. I'm very carefully going to open this up and see if I can't place a lemon on the inside of my cup, like this. 1 right here, right where you can see it. Maybe 1 on this side. Let's turn it and push it down into our cup. And just a few on top for lemony goodness with some mint leaves. And just push a few down into the cup. Whoa, that's our first drink. she might really enjoy this one. But we do have a chance to make a strawberry flavored one as well. Let's use whatever juice we have and put it inside. But first I'm going to take this little leaf and see how far down I can push it. I also want to take some of my strawberry wedges and see how far down into the cup I can get my strawberries. There are a lot of strawberries in here. I might not need all of them, just a few, to make a really yummy strawberry drink for them. Wow! I won't know which one to pick. The strawberry's looking super refreshing, but so does the lemonade. Ooh, it looks so good. Time for me to grab one of the drinks. Let's see if she wants the strawberry one first. Oh, a strawberry? This is exactly what I needed. I feel super refreshed. Thanks, Channell. Thanks, Poppy. We did it! Troll's hard work really pays off. And you know what? We have another treat. Yeah, you guys get to share the last drink because Channell drank up the entire strawberry one. Yummy! My turn. So refreshing. I feel great. It's time to head back to the pool. Woohoo! Not before I get in. Woohoo! And what about me? Woohoo! We can keep these two drinks now in the kitchen so when they come back, they can be completely refreshed. You know what? While our trolls are out in the water, I think we have time to make them a special ice cream treat. Okay, I am going to look in my cupboards. Oh, here's the ice cream. And let's make them an ice cream treat. I've got some yummy mint ice cream I'll put inside. Some chocolate ice cream. And of course, strawberry. I need to find some, like some chocolate sprucel to put on top. We've got our juice. Oh, look! Right here is some chocolate syrup. This is perfect to put on top of our ice cream. Using this little pencil here, I'm just going to take a little bit of chocolate syrup and go back and forth over my ice cream flavors until I have as much chocolate as I'd like. Carefully, I'm going to take some whipped cream and cherries and place one on top of each of the two ice creams. Just like that. Maybe one on the side. Who doesn't like whipped cream? And spin it and put one on this side. Super chocolatey yumminess. I've got some little tiny Cheerios we can put on our ice cream. And what do you guys think? Do you think they will enjoy this super yummy ice cream? Last treat. I think the girls are ready to come back. Hey Poppy, come on, we made you a treat. Coming! Huh? Where are you guys? Oh, up there. You did not. Yeah, they sure did. We made you a yummy treat. What do you think? You don't understand. Chocolate, strawberry, mint, ice cream with cereal on top and strawberries and whipped cream is my favorite. Thank you so much. Ugh, we are played out, We have eaten well and stayed refreshed. This has been a wonderful day. Thanks to all of you. I think we're going to go find something fun to do inside at this point. But we'll see you guys next time, okay? Thanks for coming and helping us out.